Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Now I know this channel is predominantly Star Wars based, and I do love the visual style of Star Wars, but I love design across a lot of different movies, and I thought I'd explore a different one for you today. Today we're delving into Blade Runner. Now I was introduced to this blaster through the videos on Tested with Adam Savage's obsession with this blaster, and it kind of introduced me into that world and the aesthetic of that film, and I really like the design of that blaster, so I thought I would get one. And I was looking for ages, and then I finally saw an opportunity to get one of the kits for the Tomenosuke blasters for a good price, so I thought what the hell, and I jumped on it. So I'm just going to do a quick unboxing and my first thoughts on that kit for you today. So here it is, let's unbox it. It's well packed, really good. Let's get rid of that. Okay. There's such beautiful artwork on this box, it's fantastic. I believe it's done by a member on the RPF, where the run kind of got its grounding and started happening. This is the 3rd or 4th gen run of the kit. And yeah, so let's have a look, shall we? Some beautiful literature there, we'll have to have a look at that. But it's brilliant. Here we go. So some of the main pieces. We've got a grip and the handle there. Oh, it's just beautiful. Just beautiful, beautiful pieces in here. There's the mag housing, trigger guard, lovely. And under here we have the rest of the parts. That's our 2 grips. Dummy rounds, they're heavy. They are really heavy. Butt plate side covers and the rest of the grip frame in there. As I said, I think there's different generations of this kit, and I think in every subsequent generation they've improved the accuracy and detailing of all the parts. I think this is the most recent one, so it should be the most sort of accurate that there is out there at the moment. I can't tell you how lovely all these pieces look. They're all banged up. I think I've got to crack some of them out. Let's have a look. Let's have a look, shall we? So there's a lot of polishing to do with some of these parts. They're all going to need going up through the grits to get to a polish before I then blue them. Should be a really fun kit to put together. This is like the best quality kit I've ever bought, and I think it should be really fun. Some bits like the cylinder here are plastic, but they've got some metal in there to help weight it. But it's just a beautiful kit. Here's the main part here. So if you want to know more about the Blade Runner blasters, I suggest going and look at Tested, look at Adam Savage's videos. There's so many videos he's done there on the Blade Runner blaster, and he's one of the guys who knows about this blaster. It's made from 2 different real-world guns, a Steyr-Mannlicher 222 target rifle and a Bulldog 44 revolver. We've got beautiful pieces here like the receiver from Steyr. All cast up. And I believe to pass it off as a replica gun, you can have metal parts on it, but the actual frame of the gun, i.e. this bit here, has to be made in plastic, because this is what they call the gun, despite all the other parts that go on it. So bits like the grip frame here are all plastic, but it feels like they've put some weight in the barrel there. It does feel quite heavy just for the plastic, but yeah, it's all beautiful, beautiful pieces. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of the Tomenosuke 2049 Blaster Kit. I am certainly excited about putting this together. We're going to have to start sanding and looking through everything. Look forward to that in an upcoming video. Should be really good. Thanks ever so much for watching, and of course I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.